This is Making Sense of Life. My name is Drew Karanen. Today's theme is One with Life, and our quote comes from Dr. Ernest Holmes, who wrote, "We are cleansing the slate of our mind that new impressions may be made upon it. This does not mean that we obliterate the book of memory. What we are erasing is the morbid belief that we are separate from life. There is one life. That life is God. That life is my life now. Life is all there is. It is in me, around me, and throughout me. As I see others, I am seeing life being reflected and expressed in unique and precious ways. I rejoice in my own manifestation of spirit as me. I honor all the diverse aspects I see in others. I do not beg God to bless me. It is God's job to give, and it can do nothing else. In acknowledging myself as life, I must take my responsibility for the power at my disposal. Before I speak my word, I meditate on my desired outcome. I keep my mind and heart fixed on my vision as I command the law, and the law responds. I give thanks for the universal power which responds to my desires by using infinite wisdom to accomplish its work. And so it is. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great one.